Good morning. Hi, all you diamonds. How are you guys doing? I'm coming to you with this one job. It's called, it's the company, the Arc of Texas, and the job position will be an administrative coordinator, and it's a full-time position, and it's a remote position as well, and it's $19 per hour. This is how you apply right here. And the benefits of this job will be a 401k matching, dental insurance, disability insurance, employee assistance program, and health insurance, and life insurance, paid time off, retirement plan, and vision insurance. Now, the full job description is FLSA classification, full-time, non-exempt. The organization overview, the Arc of Texas. The Arc creates opportunity for all Texans with individual and developmental disabilities, IDD, to actively participate in their communities and make the choices that affect their lives. Since our founding in 1950, the ARC at the local, state, and national level has been instrumental in the creation of virtually every program since service right and benefit that is now available to over 1 million Texans and with IDD. Today, the ARC is probably a public policy and advocacy organization that continues to advocate for including people with IDD in all aspects of society. Position summary. This position requires an individual committed to the cause of promoting, protecting, and advocating for the human rights and self-determination of Texans with disabilities. The administrative coordinator, the admin, supports the ARC by providing front desk customer service, assistance to the finance and operations department, and the master pool trust MPT department, as well as handling a variety of tasks to run and coordinate the day-to-day operations of the ARC. The ideal candidate possesses excellent customer service skills, demonstrates ability to organize, manage, and prioritize tasks, exhibits proactive problem-solving skills, and ability to work well under pressure to meet deadlines, manage time and resources, retains confidential and time-sensitive information. This admin performs several administrative support and customer service tasks to ensure efficient operation of the ARC's office environment. To ensure success in this role, the admin should be committed to providing attentive support for internal and external parties and be skilled at various office tasks. The admin will report to the ARC of Texas manager of operations and will provide administrative assistance to the finance and operations F&O department. Primary duties and responsibilities. Administrative services. Greet guests, answer phones, greet guests, answer phones, sort mail and email correspondence. Manage the info at the ARC of Texas.org email accounts. Respond to inquiries about information and referral. Prepare and submit check requests for F&O related expenditures. Assist executive team with programs and events as requested. Finance. Log incoming checks into respective spreadsheets for the ARC's building and TARC. Operations. Plan office parties, and lunch and learn events. Serve as the office liaison to telephone, internet, printer, shredding, and other vendors. Manage postage, machine refills, and system updates. Set up new employee workspaces and other office admin setups. Coordinate office closures and holiday breaks with USPS and other delivery vendors. Submit building maintenance requests to property management. Company follow through to ensure completion. Ensure general housekeeping of office and kitchen and office supply needs are met. Run errands as needed. Master pooled trusts. Respond to calls regarding enrollment, disbursement, funding, and closing accounts. Log incoming checks and joinder accounts. Scan incoming disbursements, request forms, and receipts. Mail new enrollment packets, funding, notifications, disbursement, request forms, and brochures. Collect responses from annual surveys. Work with team to update policies and procedures, FAQs, and other correspondence. Other duties are as assigned by the manager of operations or director of finance and operations. Qualifications for the administrative coordinator. Capable of working both independently and as a member of a collaborative team, as well as communicating with individuals at all levels of the ARC. Ability to effectively communicate via phone and email, ensuring that all administrative coordinator duties are completely, accurately, and delivered with high quality and in a timely manner. Educational and professional requirements. Minimum of a high school diploma, an associate's degree preferred, at least 3 years of professional experience providing administrative support. Years of experience may be considered in lieu of a degree. Prior work with individuals with disabilities and families is preferred. Experience with Microsoft Suite or Outlook and MIP funding, accounting software a plus. Spanish bilingual required. Working conditions: approximately 22 coworkers in relatively close quarters. Approximately 10% of this job can be performed remotely, with approximately 90% occurring in the office. This job right here, you guys, get the video, it is a hybrid type of situation when it comes to this job, administrative coordinator for the ARC of Texas, because you have to go in the office keeping it clean on holidays, on regular days, and make sure everything runs smoothly. So this is for Texas residents, and it's for it's an administrative coordinator position that if you want to apply, and if you're a resident of Texas, then that's a great way for you to start employment, is with this job if you are into administrative coordinator. And good luck. Now the rest of it is compensation, benefits, and it says employer sponsored health and dental insurance. These are the benefits for this job. And compensations is retirement plan benefits, and employer matching up to 5%, 13 days of vacation leave each year accrued per pay period, 12 days of sick leave each year accrued per pay period, employer paid long-term disability, short-term disability, and life insurance benefits. The ARC observes 16 days of holidays, which includes a week-long winter break. The salary is $19 per hour, you guys. So it is a equal opportunity Equal Employer Opportunity, you guys, EEO, and the benefits is here in this area again. Remember, it's paid time off, dental, vision, and 401k matching, employee assistance program, and all of that good stuff. It's an 8-hour position, Monday through Friday. And as I stated before, ability to commute or relocate / relocate. Austin, Texas. And the zip code, reliably commute or planning to relocate before starting work is required. It's one location that's only hiring one candidate for this role. So if it sounds like something that you like to do, go ahead and apply my diamonds and sparkle and dazzle on and shine like you have never shined before. Keep running the course, keep running this race. You can do it. Let's go. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know if you got a job and let any of these jobs that's on my channel, guys. Let me know by giving me a thumbs up and a like. And I appreciate you guys so much. And I just want you guys to keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We can do this. All right. See you on the next video.